Right, so you guys are looking good for good containers, and look at this, how easy it is. I'm gonna try to do it one hand, all right? And that's it. That's pretty much it. So it has a suction cup. It has a silicone cup. If you guys can cover, you guys can see that. This is a suction to completely cover the whole thing up. So if you want, maybe put your coffee beans, rice, nuts, pretty much anything you want to contain in here, you can, especially when you grind your beans for your coffee. This is good for that too. And of course, look at this. They stack up. They're stackable, all right? So if you guys are looking for something like this, perfect.